Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Infiniti QX4 can take you to some really cool places, like biking, camping. It could even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So we're going to start by prepping the underbody of our vehicle. On the driver's side, we have a carbon canister that we need to remove to give us a little bit more extra space to install our hitch. So it is held in by these 3 bolts, and we're going to remove those using a 12mm socket. And it's just going to hang right there. Now we're going to remove the tow hooks on both sides of the vehicle. They're held in by these 3 bolts, and we're going to remove those using a 17mm socket. And we'll repeat that on the driver's side. On our driver's side, our tow hook is connected to this wiring harness. So we're just going to pull on that tab to disconnect it. So our vehicle's ready for our hitch to come into place. So let's go ahead and point out our attachment holes. On the passenger side, we will be using these 4 holes, and it's exactly the same on the driver's side. So now we're going to bring our hitch into position. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is a little heavy. Now as we bring it up, you just want to be careful on the driver's side that we don't knock the carbon canister out of place. With our hitch in place, now we're ready to secure it with our provided hardware. Our kit comes with 4 bolts for each side, and each bolt comes with a conical tooth washer. We just want to make sure the teeth on that is facing towards the hitch. And we'll repeat that on the driver's side. With all of our bolts in place, we're going to tighten and torque all of them to the manufacturer's specification. We're going to be using a 19mm socket to tighten those down. And we'll repeat that on the driver's side. Now we're going to reinstall our carbon canister. With our hitch installed, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver, and our hitch sticks out 1.5 inches from the bumper, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 18.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more information on this product, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.